Good morning students. Today our topic is types of life insurance. Here mainly there are four types of life insurance policies. We are having the different types of life insurance policies providing by the insurance companies, but these are the some of the main life insurance policies which are providing by the insurance companies to their policy holders. First one is the term life insurance, endowment policy, money back life insurance policy, whole life insurance plan. So these are the four types of life insurance plan. Today we'll learn term life insurance. What is term life insurance? Term life insurance is the insurance taken by a policy holder for a certain period of time. So what is the difference between the other life insurance and this life insurance? So comparing to other life insurance, the term life insurance is less expensive. So why? Because it does not have any cash value. Why we are saying it does not have any cash value? Why? Because so we will get the lump sum amount when the policy holders dies. So that is the reason why it is different from the other life insurance policies. So in whatever the time period you have taken for the policy, in that time period if the policy holder dies, the dependent will get the lump sum amount from the insurance company. So this is about the term life insurance. So term life insurance can be defined as a type of insurance that availed for a certain period of time. So what are the advantages we are having when we take the life insurance? What is the need to take the life insurance and what are the advantage we are having to take the life insurance? First one is the financial security. So by taking the term insurance plan, the policyholder can provide the security to their dependents. Why? Because so if the policyholder dies in between the term period, so the dependents, whoever the family members are there, that family members will get the lump sum amount. That advantage we are having with the term life insurance. Next one is the basic insurance product. So this is the basic insurance product. Instead of opting the other types which is having the more premium value, better to opt the term insurance plans. Why? Because it is less expensive compared to other life insurance policies. So that is the reason why we have to opt for the term life insurance, and this is the basic insurance product every insurance company is providing to the policy holder. So next one is the greater returns. So here when we take the term life insurance, the policy holder dies. In between the term period, if the policy holder dies, the dependent the dependents will get the lump sum amount. So it will be whatever the amount he has invested, he will get more than that amount. 100.5% return he will get on the term life insurance. So that benefit we are having. We are getting the greater returns comparing to the other insurance policies. Why? Because the dependent will get the benefit after the death of the policyholder, and that too it will be 10 times more than the what he has invested. So that is the reason. So why that is the advantage we are having with the term life insurance. Next one is the sufficient coverage. So when we can choose the sum assured in the term life insurance, means how much amount you want to get after demise of the policy holder, that amount can be chosen by the policy holder in the term life insurance. So here as per the financial advisors, the sufficient coverage will be there in the term life insurance. It will be 10 times more than the what we have invested. So that is the one of the advantage we are having with the term life insurance. Next one is the survival benefit. So in the term life insurance, we are not getting any type of survival benefit. So the dependent will get the lump sum amount after the death of the policy holder. But nowadays some insurance companies are designed a plan that is called as TROP. TROP means term return premium plan. TROP means term return of premium plans. So after completing the maturity period, so the insurance company will return the premium amount paid by the policy holder. So this is designed by some insurance companies. So moreover, if you take the pure term life insurance, the policy holder will not get any amount until or unless the death of the policy holder in that particular period. So that is the advantage, means that the advantage we are having with the term life insurance. So means that is the disadvantage, but we are getting the lump sum amount in the term life insurance. Next one is the policy term. So the term insurance plan offers you a fixed term. So here the term insurance plan will be for a fixed term, means we have to pay the premium for the fixed term. So after completing that fixed term, the policy holder will give the protection to the family members in that fixed term. So whatever the premium we are paying in that period, so we are providing the security to the family members through this insurance. So that benefit we are having. Next one is the low claim rejection. So when we come to the claim, so here low claim rejection will be there in case of the term life insurance. If the policyholder has paid the premium more than 10 years, the claim rejection will be less under the term life insurance. Next one is the flexibility. So here the term life insurance can be offered through the term life insurance offer you the flexibility of buying the policy. So here the policyholder can buy the policy through online or offline. So in addition to this, so if you take the term life insurance without taking any health checkup, the policyholder will provide the plan to the customers. So that is the person who are taking more than less than 50 lakhs without health checkup, the insurance company will provide the term life insurance. Next, riders. So along with the term life insurance, we can add on some other benefits like accidental death or any health diseases, health problems. Likewise, you can take the other add-ons to the term life insurance with the nominal cost. So the premium will not be more comparing to the other insurances. So here term plans can be enhanced through the use of riders that offer extra protection. So with the help of the term life insurance, we are getting the extra benefits. So these riders can be brought from the insurance company of nominal cost. Here the cost will be less. So when comparing to if you take the accidental policy, so the premium will be more. When you add on that to the term life insurance, you will get that extra protection with the less premium. So here under term life or accidental death benefit, critical illness. Next one is the low brokerage. So here with the term life insurance can be bought with the help of online or offline. So when the brokerage will be less. So why? Because when we are opting the policy through online, so the brokerage will be less. So that is the one of the advantage we are having with the term life insurance. And the brokerage commission will be calculated on the premium paid by the policy holder. So that is the one of the advantage we are having with the term life insurance. Next one is the flexible payment option. So here the flexible payment option we are having. Term insurance policy offer flexible premium payment option, allocating to the policyholder to choose a payment plan based on their convenience. So here flexible payment option. So according to the policyholder convenience, the policyholder can pay the premium through monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. That option is providing by the insurance company to the policyholders. Next one is the choice of plan. So here the one more option the insurance company is providing for the term life insurance is choice of plan. So you can take the individual term policy, or you can take the joint term policy for their family members. So that option also providing by the insurance company to the policy holders. You can take individual policy, or you can take the joint term policy. Next one is the tax benefit. So here we are getting the tax exemption when we are paying the premium to the term life insurance. So whatever the premium we are paying to the insurance company, that amount will be deducted from our total income. These are the advantages we are having with the term life insurance, and this deduction will be given under section 80C, and whatever the lump sum amount the dependent are getting after the demise of the policy holder, so that amount will be exempted as per the Income Tax Act 10C. 10D. So that are the advantage we are having with the term life insurance. So these are some of the advantages. So what are the disadvantages we are having with the term life insurance? So we are having the three disadvantages with the term life insurance. First one is the term life insurance. So we are not having any renewal option in the term life insurance. So how much period we are paying the premium, we are getting the security. After completing that period, we are not getting the any security. So that is the disadvantage we are having with the term life insurance. So here the premium rates are guaranteed only until the end of the term, depending upon the policy. Premium may be level for a period of 1, 5, 10, 15, 25 or 30 years, then ceases without any renewal option. So whatever the premium we are paying, that premium will be level in the fixed period of time. So it will be, if you are taking the 5 years, the premium value will be the same. But when we take more than 5 years, then the premium value will change. So yeah, up to 30 years the premium value will be changing. If you are completing that fixed term and if you want to take again that policy, then the premium value will changes. So here some insurance companies are giving the offer annual renewals at high premium rate. So some insurance companies are providing the renewal option, but they are giving that renewal option by collecting the high premium rates. This is the one of the disadvantage we are having with the term life insurance. Next one is the next disadvantage is that deteriorating health can trap you in a policy with a rapidly increasing premium. Whenever our health is deteriorating, in that case the premium value will also increases. For example, if the person is having the smoking habit, so here the premium collecting by the insurance companies are more. Why? Because the health of that policy holder will deteriorating because of the smoking. So in this way, based upon the health also, the premium value increases in the term life insurance. So that is also one of the disadvantage we are having with the term life insurance.